The Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) is gearing up to launch its Cartosat-2 series satellite for Earth observation along with 30 co-passenger satellites. ISRO's workhorse, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle (PSLV), in its 40th flight, PSLV-C38, will carry these satellites into orbit. The rocket is scheduled to take off from the Sriharikota spaceport near Chennai at 9:29 a.m. on Friday. The rocket will carry the 712 kg Cartosat-2 series satellite and 30 co-passenger satellites, together weighing about 243 kg at liftoff, into a 505 km polar sun synchronous orbit. The PSLV-C38 will be launched from the first launch pad of the Satish Dhawan Space Centre, Sriharikota. This will be the 17th flight of the PSLV in its XL configuration, with the use of solid strap-on motors. The primary Cartosat-2 series satellite is a remote sensing satellite which is useful for cartographic applications, urban and rural applications, coastal land use and regulation, utility management and various other land information systems, as well as for Geographical Information System (GIS) applications. The co-passenger satellites comprise 30 nano-satellites from India and 14 other countries: Austria, Belgium, Chile, Czech Republic, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Latvia, Lithuania, Slovakia, United Kingdom, and the United States of America. The total weight of all the satellites carried on board PSLV-C38 is about 955 kg. The 30 international customer nano-satellites are being launched as part of commercial arrangements with Antrix Corporation Limited, Antrix, ISRO's commercial arm. What does the Cartosat satellite do? When Indian Army soldiers crossed the line of control last year to conduct surgical strikes against terrorists, they had help from an eye in the sky. Now, the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) is strengthening this capability by launching an Earth observation satellite belonging to the Cartosat-2 series. The mission's primary objective is to provide high-resolution, scene-specific spot imagery. This is similar in configuration to earlier satellites in the series. This satellite, the seventh in the Cartosat series, is capable of a long track and a cross-track steering, up to 26° nominally. This will allow it to provide images in continuous imaging mode. The project has been allocated 160 crore rupees and the satellite is expected to help in the preparation of high-resolution maps using pictures from the panchromatic camera loaded on it. It will also have a high-resolution, multispectral instrument which will help in high-resolution land observation and cartography, working in tandem with the panchromatic camera. Apart from taking pictures, it can also record videos from the sky. The pictures and videos would be helpful in a wide range of activities, including military and civil planning. The future Earth observation program envisages the continuity of the thematic series of satellites, the Resourcesat, Cartosat, Oceansat, RISAT, and INSAT series for land, water, ocean, and meteorological satellites. It also envisages placing a geo-imaging satellite in geostationary orbit to enable near real-time imaging. The overall aim is to maintain the continuity of services and carry out enhancements in technological capabilities with respect to sensors and payloads to meet operational applications. In this regard, ISRO plans to design, develop and launch Cartosat-3 and Oceansat-3. In the future, ISRO will also launch more satellites from the INSAT series for meteorological applications. Cartosat-1, the first in the series of Earth observation satellites, was launched on May 5, 2005, using the PSLV-C6 launch vehicle, followed by Cartosat-2 on January 10, 2007. The launch of more satellites will help the country to become self-reliant and reduce the cost of getting such images from external sources.